I'm waiting for Keith to memorize 3 sentences, which is why I have the time to send the pictures. I told him I'm kind of tired today. So he just memorized, show you what he memorized. Okay, he's on the 3rd sentence, not a lot. He struggle to write, so just it's from the book. Okay. Oh, 靚仔 I always help him to crack his neck. 来，我跟他示范一下 how I crack his neck. 就后位抓住吧，老师抓住I. 你的手要放后面。I show you how I crack his neck. Turn around. 我睇这边有风扇。要看老师，坐过来。I show you how I crack his neck. 我睇，放远远。没有。后面。Always help him to crack. Hear that? Hold on the back. That's why I always help him. I crack my own neck.